Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to register for MSCA account. First, open your web browser. Go to the search bar at the top and type My Service Canada account. Then press enter on your keyboard to search. You will now see a list of results. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the official My Service Canada account page. And once the page loads, look for the option that says register or register for an account. Click on that button to begin the registration process. After clicking, you will see 3 different options to create your account. The first and most recommended method is Sign in Partner. Click on this option to continue. Next, you will see a list of banks. Choose your bank from the list. After selecting your bank, you will be asked to sign in using your online banking details. You will also need your social insurance number. If you do not have your social insurance number, you can use your birth registration number instead. To continue, you will also need access to the Interact Verification Service. This works with banks like BMO, CIBC, Desjardins, TD, or Valley First. The second method is GC Key. Click on this if you prefer not to use your bank. With this option, you will need to create a username and password. You will also need your social insurance number or your birth registration number, along with a personal access code. If you do not have a personal access code, you can move to the next option. The third method is Provincial Sign-In. In this option, you will use your alberta.ca account or your BC Services card. After choosing your method and entering the required details, simply follow the on-screen instructions step by step to complete your registration. Thanks for watching.